हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू साई क्लासेस। फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि हमारी प्रैक्टिस चालू थी, आज मैं दोबारा आपको जो है ना कंटिन्यूएशन में जो मेरे लीगल फ्रेज हैं जो मेरे द्वारा ही तैयार किए गए हैं, मैंने खुद इन फ्रेज को तैयार किया है और वही मैं आपके सामने शेयर कर रहा हूं। दोस्तों, ये लीगल फ्रेजेस हैं एंड यू कैन गेट ए वेरी हाईएस्ट बेनिफिट। आपको बहुत अच्छा फ़ायदा मिलेगा, आप अपनी स्पीड को कवर कर सकते हो और जब आपका जो है एग्जामिनेशन होगा तो आप इनको शेयर कर सकते हो। इसकी हेल्प से आप अपनी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकते हो। लेट्स स्टार्ट। जैसे मैंने लिखा है दोस्तों, लर्न कंसल फॉर द एपेलेंट, लर्न कंसल फॉर द एपेलेंट, दैट्स ऑल। अब सुपर स्ट्रक्चर, सुपर और स्ट्रक्चर। थर्ड पॉइंट, लर्न कंसल फॉर द एपेलेंट, लर्न कंसल फॉर द एपेलेंट। ये दोबारा भी आ गया, लर्न कंसल फॉर द एपेलेंट। अब एपेलेंट अथॉरिटी बना दीजिएगा दोस्तों, लर्न कंसल फॉर द एपेलेंट ये छोड़ दीजिएगा, लर्न कंसल फॉर द, दिस इज appellate authority, this one. In so far as the contention of the appellant, in so far as the contention of the appellant contention of the appellant, this one. Next है appellant court as well as the high court, हाई कोर्ट के लिए आप ये शेयर करेंगे दोस्तों, दिस वन। नेक्स्ट, कैन नॉट बी टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन द अथॉरिटी इन सो फार एज द कंटेंशन ऑफ द एपेलेंट, देन एपेलेंट कोर्ट एज वेल एज द हाई कोर्ट, देन कैन नॉट बी टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन। Then I am coming to this conclusion, coming के लिए ing बनाएंगे, to this conclusion on behalf of the appellant, on behalf of the appellant, this one. Then manifestly erroneous, this one. Then requisitioned by a state government, then learned civil judge, this one. Then permanent injunction, this one. So automatically this is the in coming to this conclusion on behalf of the appellant, manifestly erroneous, requisitioned by state government, learned civil judge, permanent injunction. Then learned counsel for the parties, this one is okay. Then learn ट्रायल और कोर्ट, ये बनाइएगा दोस्तों। अल्टीमेटली के लिए दोस्तों ये बनाएगा, अल्टीमेटली, दिस इज अल्टीमेटली, दिस वन, अल्टीमेटली। देन लर्न कमिश्नर, दिस वन। I am of the view that there is no scope, that's for challenging of the impugned order, this one दोस्तों, impugned order। मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, learn counsel for the parties, learn trial court, ultimately, then learn commissioner। I am of the view that there is no scope for challenging of the impugned orders. Yeah, I do not find any justified ground, justified ground, find any justified ground to interfere, to बनाइए interfere दोस्तों, with the impugned order, with the impugned order. This one, I do not find any justified ground to interfere with the impugned order. The report of the commissioner, the report of the commissioner, this is for commissioner, shall be the evidence, shall be the evidence, shall be the evidence, evidence of the shoot, this one दोस्तों. The report of the commissioner shall be the evidence of the shoot. The next point, the revisional application, the revisional application therefore fails to succeed, this one, succeed, it is therefore dismissed, दोस्तों. This is very special outline I am sharing you. Dismissed. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, appearing advocate, ये learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, for the or petitioner, this one, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. This is the, I do not find any justified के लिए कट लगा दीजिएगा. I do not find any justified ground to interfere with the impugned order. The report of the commissioner shall be evidence of the shoot. The revisional application therefore fails to succeed के लिए this one also. It is therefore dismissed. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. The arbitration proceeding in lying, arbitration, this is arbitration proceedings, this one proceedings, यही बनाइएगा. Is lying और is proceeding is lying इधर बना दीजिएगा दोस्तों. Proceeding is lying. Wanted to stop the proceeding, wanted to stop the proceeding, इसी में बनाइएगा. Wanted to stop the proceeding before the district forum, before the district or forum, this one. Next point है overall assessment, overall assessment of the material placed by the respective parties in the proceeding before the district form, before the district or forum, this one. Intention of the petitioner is very much intention of the petitioner is very much clear from his from his conduct. This is conduct. Then next is the Consumer Protection Act. The Consumer Protection और Act यहीं बनाइएगा. That's all. This is the arbitration proceeding is lying ing है दोस्तों ये. Wanted to stop the proceeding before the district forum. Next is overall assessment material placed by the respective parties in the proceeding before the district forum. Intention of the petitioner is very much clear from his conduct. Then Consumer Protection Act. तो थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच. यदि मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए दोस्तों, मुझे सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना, अपने डाउट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कर सकते हो. थैंक यू दोस्तों.